Welcome to technology platform. So today we are going to see like zip functions with for loop. Earlier sessions we have seen like how to use zip functions with set, list, tuples, and dictionary. Now we can see like how to use it with for loop. Like normally we can see like for loop we already seen, but here how we can use this kind of zip functions with for loop. Some tricky, but we can see it. So now I just open idle. Now see this. I'll type it str name. I'll type it small letter. Str name equal to x, y, and z. And then I'll say like str marks equal to 10, 8, 6, like that. I just typed it. Now normally you can see it. The zip function is like normally print off and then set something like that. I just use it zip of str name comma str mark. So this is what the zip functions we already seen, right? So z is 6, x is 10, and y is 8. Now how we can use it in for loop? See this. For you can use it str name comma str marks, and then in then zip of str name comma str marks. So this is one of the variable, and here we are using this functionality here. No need set. Let's see it now. Enter. Okay, colon is missing. So colon is missing. Now enter. Then print off. Open, and then str name comma str marks. Let's see. Now it is available. You are able to see, right? So this kind of thing. So we are using for loop, but something it is tricky. We are able to use this kind of things. So like this we can use it tuple and some more things, and we can see one by one. And enumerate also we can use it. Let's see now. That is also just my system just hang 1 minute. Let me open this. Yeah, so it is fine now. Now normally how we can use it, like one more thing is also you have seen it. So zip with the range, that is also one more thing. This is for loop, but one more thing is that let's see, you're using this kind of variable, right? So instead of that you can use it print of set of zip of auto generate number. So this is like auto generate number range, like I need 10 comma another 15 number. Let's see how it will work, but it will error message or we'll see. Mm, see this, it's an auto generate number. You can see it how it works. So 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 generator, but this 15 is skipped. So let's see now. Range is 15, and then this one is 10, and this is also, you can see 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7. So anything it's within 10 only. This was this this was iterator. So this is one of the things. And one more thing is that enumerate, and that is also we can see it now. So how it works with zip functionality with enumerate. So normal enumerate you can see it. I will use the same value. or else let's see now. We can say like for I in enumerate, and then I'll say like range of 3 or 4, something like that I will return. Let's see whether it is working or not. Based on that, I will change it with zip functionality. Print of I, see this. This is called enumerate. It will auto generate. So if you print it I, so I is like 0 and enumerate is like 0. So like this. This is called something auto generate number. This is I value and this is enumerate value. So two things you can see it now, right? Now you can see with the zip functionality how it works. Let's see. Take these two things and then enter, because this arrow mark is missing, that's why it is raising an error message. Now see this. For you're using name str name comma str marks in enumerate, I'm using zip of names comma ages colon. I think another one I missed it. Open it, paste it. This is not required. And then tap print of str name comma str marks. Let's see now. Okay. Oh, sorry. Str name. Sorry, I used wrong variable. Str marks. Yeah, you can see it. So x10 y8 is at 6, x10 y8 is at 6 is the content, and 012 is a enumerate number. This is automatically generated. And one more thing is also, this is fine. Yeah, so like this you can use it, enumerate with zip with for loop. See you in the next session. Bye.